What's up, guys? This is Bo. Welcome back to the van build. After the whole week of rain, finally we have a little bit of blue skies, but still still short daylight. I am at the final spots for my reflective here. After that, it's a third layer, which is the 3M Thinsulate. This is the 1-inch expanded layer. So this is the last layer of the insulation. And after that, I'm gonna add 2 more windows and we're gonna start wiring the van. So I'm excited. Still have to do racking on the roof too when we have some good daylight or some sunny day. Alright, that's where we at. Inside the sliding door, we took off this panel and we're gonna insulate it in here as well, and also the 3 pockets on the top, we're gonna insulate that, and then we're gonna do a carpet panel to cover this area back. Missing a little sound deadening in here, so we're gonna put a small piece inside there. When you do a sound deadening, make sure it is well pressed. Make sure it is well pressed and sticks to the surface. Otherwise, if there's a hole or bubble, it's not as effective. All right, last piece for the insulation. Insert that. What I want to do, I'm gonna put a little glue on each spot here, because a sliding door, you know, it vibrates a lot, just to make sure the thing stays tight in place. There we go. Sound deadening is complete. Let me open the door a little bit, because okay, get some ventilation in here. Supposed to wear the mask, but I had all the doors open, so. All right, the insulation is done, so let's see what I can do next. Okay, let's take a last look of our insulation. Right, I got all around the doors, the windows, the bottom. Okay, even inside is cavities, I inserted those small pieces in there. Inside the rear doors as well. Alright, so this is the 3M Thinsulate. It's not only a thermal insulation, it's also a acoustic sound barrier. So it helps with the noise and everything from the outside or from the inside out. It's good. So this is a 144 wheelbase. The roll comes in 60-inch, and it was a 60 by 30 feet long. We have a little bit left, which is perfect. That little piece, maybe later on we can use it to insert, touch up around the windows and also over the overhead the driver side over there. So yep, 30 feet is good. Okay, next. Today my plan was to install the last two windows, and since today we got a nice weather either way, so we can do the window if we have that chance. First I want to install the step bars first, so that it's easy going up and down. It makes a lot easier on my knees. And so again, we've been using this for all the vans I did. We did not have problem with all 11. 100% aluminum, super light, and very easy to install. This one's gonna go from the rear splash guard all the way to the end of the sliding door, and there's one on the driver's side for 4 feet. So that's what we're gonna do today, and see if we can do windows today as well. And these are easy to install. So last night we already pre-assembled these brackets, and the brackets already indicates, let me show you quick. So see, that's passenger front, passenger rear. So, and this is how you reinstall it. Okay, this is to be screwed. Well, you don't have to drill anything on this one. It's a pre-drill hole underneath the van. Just remove the plug hole and your bolt goes in there. And but you do have to install screw, drill these two on the flange right here. Okay, and then yeah, these are half inch nuts. Alright, so that's how you install from the back here, and then you just keep it loose until you drill these two holes right here first. So looking at from the front side, this is before you drill the holes, and this is where you're gonna drill the hole. Okay, see this bracket in the front, and then you are going to drill these two holes just like so. Okay, and then just apply the anti-rust, and then nuts and bolts go in there. Pretty much it. And then put the step bars, and then 2 more screws down here. That's already it's a slide in nuts and bolts. You don't have to drill anything down here, and adjust the height. You are done. Okay, after anti-rust protection is applied, put your flat washer, insert the 2 screws, and then flat washer, lock washer, and then the nut. Okay, so tight these 2 down, and then tight these 2. Okay, and then you tight this one last. Okay, once this all level, and then you're gonna put your board over it to see, make sure they're all level, and then you make adjustment if they're not. Alright, first of all, when you're down here, you need a nice pillow like mine right here. It won't work with any other pillows. I have a creeper, but it's too high for this job. Creeper is too high, so you need a pillow like this. Get in the right position. There. After you try this on, let's take a look from under to make sure that they're all level, there's no gap. Looks good, they're all level. And then now we can put the screws on these. So all it takes, 2 of these per bracket right here. This is the square, about 1 inch, size 10 square head bolt right here. Okay, all you have to do is slide in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, slide in all the way there. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. And 4, and then once you align it in the hole and then from the bottom will be the flat washer and the nylon nut right here. Pretty easy. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so now it's time to make the adjustment. I have it a little bit about 1 inch behind the splash guard here, the front, and it's perfect. And at the sliding door, and then the how much it sticks out, it's up to you. If you want to use all 6 inches, like right now I have this lip here aligned with the car body, okay? Or if you don't want to stick out too much, you can push it in a little bit. This is all the way out right now, and if you compare it with the the side mirror, it's not sticking out farther than the side mirrors. That's what we want to do. Okay, so now it's time for a final tighten. All the screws, and this is considered as done. And then I just do the same on the other side. It's only 4 screws on the other side, and we are done with the step bars. Take the last look. All right, guys, final here. So this is done. Some people is wondering how much clearance do we have, ground clearance, after we install this. Well, if you look at the splash guard there, this is about an inch higher than splash guard. So let's compare. This is a regular 2x sprinter, and compared with the 4x4. Let's see how much clearance we have. Okay, it's about 11 3/4, almost 12-inch ground clearance on this one. Let's go take a look at the 4x4. It's exactly the same step bar. Okay, so on a 4x4, that's 13 inches. That's exactly 13 inches we have. But again, the floor here is not really level, but you have at least 12 inches plus on the 4x4 left, and then 11 3/4, almost 12 inches ground clearance on the regular sprinter. Okay, thanks for watching, and I see you next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, everybody. Thank you. Okay, this is my lunch for today. I smoked some fish. Oh, check this out. This is rockfish meat. I've never seen anybody smoke rockfish. This is first time, and I don't know how is it too. So this is after I brined it, just a couple hours. I did a wet brine, and then black pepper, crusted black pepper. Now I'm brushing it, glazing it with honey and light sodium soy sauce. It looks good. Check this out. Yeah. Whoa. Look at that. I think it's a little bit overcooked. Pretty good. A little bit of salt, sweet. A little bit spicy from the black pepper. Really good snack. Can't go wrong with fish. It's perfect for the road. Back them up. Oh yeah.